Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode. First up, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I have some African chicken wings. See here how I made them.
So I'm going to start off by doing a sous vide bath with my multi-purpose hot pepper paste. I got this at the African grocery store. And you can see it has garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, and black pepper. I like my wings peppery and hot. And so I'm just going to put the paste in a Ziploc bag and put the wings in the Ziploc bag. I'm going to sous vide them at a temperature of 165 for 1 hour, and then I'll crisp them up on the barbecue grill.
Alright, we need a beverage to go with my African chicken wings. Today I'm going to make a drink called the Mother-in-Law. It reminds me when I used to work on the cruise ships. I worked in the casino and I used to deal blackjack, and customers would ask me, should I hit on a soft 18? And I'd explain to them that that's what you call a mother-in-law hand, because you want to hit it, but you can't. Alright, I'll get started on my mother-in-law. Alright, so I have a cocktail shaker. And go a little bit of ice. So we need an ounce of simple syrup. One ounce of maraschino liqueur. This is an Italian cherry liqueur. A half ounce of Cointreau. And 2.5 ounces of bourbon. I have some Jack Daniels today. That's 1, 2.5. And we'll give it a dash of Angostura bitters. And we're going to give that a shaky. I'm going to strain that into my tropical glass. And I have a nice maraschino cherry garnish with an umbrella. And that is a mother-in-law to go with my African chicken wings. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.